purpose of an elevating leg rest is to provide calf support to a patient who needs to either maintain a fixed or elevated leg. Leg rests are commonly used in patients who have immobilized legs due to a cast or who have poor circulation, inflammation, or edema problems. Leg rests are designed with a lever on the side to allow you to drop and to elevate in different positions. They have different footplate sizes and types. ELRs are normally sold with panels that serve as cushions for the calf of the patient. E&J manual wheelchair series are generally offered with models with tool-free adjustment swing-away detachable leg rests for different needs and/or to avoid fatigue and enhance treatment. Once you have identified that you need an elevating leg rest and the chair that you will be using it on, let's see what features to check and look into your selection. GF Health Products Inc. offers different types of elevating leg rests. Elevating leg rests with composite footplate, black panel. Elevating leg rests with aluminum footplate. Elevating leg rests for the Paramount XD. Today we're focusing on the heavy-duty articulating elevating leg rest. It's normally used by tall individuals who require extension while fully elevated. This is a heavy-duty environment footplate when users are constantly being moved and transferred. Warning: ensure leg rests are locked in place before occupying or operating a wheelchair. Note: to articulate means the elevating leg rest extends when it is fully elevated. The only leg rest that articulates is the 907634332. This elevating leg rest is sold as a separate accessory. Extends in length from a minimum 16 inches in the downward position up to a maximum of 27 inches when fully elevated. That means these elevating leg rests are telescoping, with a push pin button adjustment and a chrome finish. Warning: the footplate's lowest point should be no closer to the ground than 2.5 inches to permit proper clearance. Warning: do not stand on the footplates. This could cause the wheelchair to tip. Always consult your doctor or medical professional to explore and select your elevating leg rest options. Always follow the prescription given by the clinician in terms of what exactly is required for the specific need of the patient. Mobility needs change over time, so as always, be advised by a medical professional. Our wheelchairs reflect the commitment to quality, durability, efficiency, and patient comfort as a signature of our work. For more information, check us out at grahamfield.com.